Good day to all. As a group, we have chose the product of bicycles for the sport and sales business since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. This has been one of the fastest growing business nationwide since it represents one of the few activities allowed to the convenient established by national and local governments. The highest point growth of this business occurred during to the months of June, July, and August of the year 2020, since the restrictions decreased a little. In addition, many people opted for this means of transport to their jobs as an alternative means of public
Hi guys,
transport.
in section number 2 stock management we will calculate the annual demand taking years of the 165 days and daily unit of 192 quality for the sale of bicycle in whole project in 700 units for the average. We'll calculate random ballot for 7 days and there we take the average match the annual demand. The average is day of the demand, then we have to take the cost holding and the holding cost estimate about 5 maximum in our case of 3.5 and other are 120. Point number 4. What is lag time? Left in state to take 21 days from Buenos Aires to Cartagena with high 293. Both that will be the total price of the operation.
About validation in order to transport our merchandise in the best way. We have 70,000 units, which is equivalent to a total of 2,000 balls with a total weight of 1,750 kilos. Which are divided into two containers. The first one is of FCL category with a total of 1,492 are found on the first and second floor. For this reason, a second container is necessary, LCL, in which the first floor was occupied with a total of 500.
In this part of the work, we did the Incoterms to an importation of bicycle. We reached the project was taken and the price of the product was taken. This product is the bicycles, and we did respective insured deposit of the merchandise and the process of moving the product to the dock while the freight was made, and the cost and full surcharge.
Point number 5 is the geography section. We find date of the exporting country, which is Argentina, the port from which the merchandise lies, which in the port of Buenos Aires, the name of the port which in Puerto Madero, the receiving country that resides the merchandise which in Colombia in the port of Cartagena, and the final destination of the merchandise which is Bogota, Colombia. Section number 6 that shows taxes. We have interesting date in this regard. For example, that the tax of bicycle of the race is 5%. The local VAT on any product that is marketed in Colombia, which is 19%, and VAT excluded, which is 0%. That is due to the commercial alliance we have with Argentina. No value is charged in this regards
Place
Colombia.
on the supply chain and our strategy to be successful. This chain is based on six steps mainly, where the first consists of the purchase of supplies mainly from countries such as China and Argentina. The second step is the transportation through maritime routes, and it is subsequent production and distribution in Colombia territory to finally start with the sales in the different stores in the cities of the country. Finally, the business of bicycle sales during the last 2 years has made profits that it said to 18 billion dollars, being one of the most productive economic stores.